Where is your house? Where you stay? Hello? Baby. Where you stay? May nag-aaway. Sino kayang nag-aaway dito? Taga doon to sa kapitbahay eh. Hi! Don't scratch me ah. I'm a friend. I'm a friend. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who bully you? Baby? Who bully you? Si Suksi kasi itim din. Who bully you? Baka mga ano to, ginugupitan siya. Ayan. Ginupitan yung mga kuko. Taga sa kapitbahay ito eh. Who bully you? What's your name? What's your name? Uy, what is your name? Bata pa to, bata pa. Tingnan mo, nakipag-away ito. May mga sugat na gumaling na. Hey! 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 Miss ko yung mga alaga kong tatlo. Wala na. Wait, where are you going? Are you going home? Tingnan mo. Can I ba? Atu. Atu. Can I touch your feet? Can I touch your feet here? Can I touch you? Can I touch you? Can I touch your head? Can I touch your head? Uy, saan ka na pupunta? Awayin ka doon. Tingnan mo, dami niyang mga ano, parang mga sugat na gumaling na. Ha? You come back tomorrow, okay? You come back tomorrow. You come here. You come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. Hala ka, ay, tumbling na. Uy, you come back tomorrow nga. Lah, yun na. Itim. What is that? Ayo, may puso doon sa ilalim. Ayan, oh. Yung brown niya, ay yung ano, yung blonde na masungit. Nagtambling na. Naandyan sa drainage yung isa. I miss my Mickey. I miss my Mickey. I miss my Mickey. I want to hold you. I miss my Mickey and Suksi and Tiga. Miss ko alaga ko. Mamaya mag-away na naman yan. Don't fight, ha? You go home na, you go home. Where is your house? Wait, where is your house nga? Ang kulit. Nandyan yung isa. Sana yun. Napababa ako kasi nag-aaway. Wala na. Sa ilalim yata ng kutsi. Ayun. Come here. Where is your house? Where is your house? In the other block there? Don't fight ha, don't fight. You go home na, you go home. Wow. Daming mga sugat na gumaling na lang siguro. Ganyan sila nag-aaway-away kaya may mga sugat. Hello, baby. Hello. Hello. Hala ka. Hindi na. Come here. Don't be scared. Come here. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Don't bite me, ha. Miss ko talaga yung mga alaga ko. Don't bite me, baby. Come here na nga. Come here nga. Ako, maguga. Bye-bye. 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 Mamaya mag-away na yan.